Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check notifications history on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To check your notifications history, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Notifications, Notification History, make sure that it's enabled, and when you enable it, it will start recording history of your notifications, and here you can see the notifications that I've dismissed recently, so I can see them. You can see that when I dismiss another notification, it shows here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.